certain temperature, usually at 25 degrees. Not very high, not very cold. When you keep this one, the whole instrument, you keep this somewhere safe. Somewhere you can keep it here. Somewhere the whole thing will be at some constant temperature, because water is going there. When the laser flash lamp is there, you will have a lot of heat, and then the water will go, circulate and come back. Here is a water tank, and which will adjust the temperature so that the temperature is maintained constant.
For the flash lamp.
Temperature, the residual temperature
25. 25.
For this one, 20.
Yes. Usually 20. You keep it 20 is a very comfortable temperature. So this must be on. This must be on. Okay. Now this is ready operation. Then you can look at this one. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. So I need the power bit. Okay, now look at this one. This represents pulse repetition rate. I can adjust the number of pulses. I can adjust it. This the delay is a time delay between between Q switch and laser. I must explain here. You can go and get a chalk piece.
حضرتك سلام جد.
هلا. السلام عليكم.
Yes. Okay, don't do this. Enough. Now these are all my handwriting. I will come back. I will do many more experiments. Now look at it. This is the intensity. This is the time. You increase the flash lamp, goes like this. The duration of the flash lamp will be about 300 microseconds. Typical value, this may be 500 microseconds for another design. For this, about 300 microseconds. Then what we do, you see, you keep the Q switch, keep this design. This is NDI. Here is a mirror. Here is a mirror. Here you put a Q switch. In fact, I can put the Q switch better in this fashion. This means unpolarized light. Understand?
Yes.
Unpolarized light. Then I put a polarizer. So what comes out is a polarizer.
Okay.
Then here is a electro-optical switch. This will rotate this one, look at this one. This will rotate this to 45 degrees. Okay. Then the mirror is here. This is the output mirror. When it goes here, it is going to rotate another 45 degrees. So this will go here. It cannot go because this is polarity. Go. It will be like this. When it comes here, look at it. It will be like this, polarization.
Okay.
Then in the polarizer, the light is going here, so it is stopped. Amjad,
Yes, sir.
can you spend some time, show us this optical parametric with what is his name?
Okay.
Can you come?
We have to manage with them first, and then.
Wait,
He is there. If he can come, you can show it, because this I can show.
But not
this.
now. I have to go downstairs now.
What time you can come back?
Today or?
Today or some other day. Because look, second and third I can show.
Yeah.
You have the facility for parametric oscillation.
Yes.
So if you can show them, it's okay. Anytime you choose.
It's okay. Okay, I will manage. وأنا أتفق
It's
معه
between,
وأنا- Okay.
He is very good, he will help you.
Okay, okay.
Good. He is really very good.
Yes, very good. Yes.
So
And helpful.
very, very helpful, very understanding, and he knows what he does.
Yes.
When you don't understand, you shudder,
Yes.
you tremble. You understand?
Yes, yes.
You hesitate. No, I don't know. I'll come tomorrow. Or this will go wrong. When you are sure that
To make a rujai.
see, when you drive a car, if somebody wants, can you drop me there? If you are sure that you can drive a car, you say, jump in, I will drop you there. If you are not sure about it, you say, no, today is the Sunday, today is... He is very good, he will help you. One by one, I will show all the lasers, all the facilities here. Now, this is electro-optical switch. So this will be 45, so no light. This is how Q switching is done. Now, look at this one. All put together up to this is the shutter. This is electro-optical shutter. Now, what I do, I keep the shutter on up to this, and then I open it here. When I open it here, up to this, population keeps building it up.
Building, yes.
When I open it, look at it, it will come. This is 10 nanosecond. Look, this is 100 microsecond typically, and this is about 250 microsecond. Maybe 200 microsecond. That means if I open only after 200 microsecond, I will have a good effect. Suppose I open it here. The population would not have built enough.
Yes.
So I will get some light. Suppose I open here. Population is all down. It will come, you will still get little. So you must open at right time. That comes, the manufacturer would tell us, for this laser, 250 microsecond is the best to get the maximum output.
This doctor 100 from here to here?
The pulse width, see when I say this is 200, 300, the full width at half maximum of the flash lamp may be about 100 microseconds.
Okay.
Okay. This is the total or complete idea about Q switching. Now what we are going to do, first we will measure the laser output. See, what we will get here is 1064. We put a second harmonic.
Okay.
So what here is 532. Now what we are going to do, we will measure the power. There is a power meter. We will measure the power.
Doctor, without the Q switch, we will get the same 1064.
That's a good question. Now look at it. It is not there. What will you get? See, the very powerful.
Very nice.
Go down. Okay. Without this Q switch, you will get the laser at 1064.
Continuous.
Not continuous. It will be pulsed. But only thing is, this will not be there. I'll show you all this one. If I switch off the Q switch, you will get a laser. But it will be a long pulse laser.
Not affected.
Hmm?
Not affected.
It is useful for certain purpose, not for this particular purpose. Okay. So, with second harmonic, you understand my question? Without Q switch, you will get the laser. That's called a normal mode laser.
No.
You will get the same effective laser, but the whole thing is spread out over 100 microsecond. When you do Q switching, it is whole thing is in 10 nanosecond. That means, see, I push you. You will not get tangled. I give a punch.
Yes.
You will fall down.
Yes.
Same thing. The punch is like a Q switch.
Punch like fuse switch.
That's all. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, now you can come in. See, he has put everything ready. Now look at it. This is T control ready. This is ready. Q switch is ready. Everything is ready. Now, this one is the energy measured in Joule given to the flash lamp.
13.8 joule.
13.8 joule is the energy given to the flash lamp. At this energy, you will get a good layer. Yeah, you can come in. Okay, now don't worry. Here is a laser rod. Here is a laser rod, YAG laser rod. Huh? Ask him if he says got the key, I can open up, show him.
شوف أمجد.
Is there?
I think he left.
Okay.
ممكن هو خرج، أنا سمعته إنه خرج.
No, wait.
والله لو ينفتح إنه كويس.
We can open it while he on.
No, we will never do this. We should never do this. Okay, first let us work it. Later I can open.
Okay.
Okay. Here you have the crystal. Sorry, you have the YAG crystal. And then here you have a second harmonic. What comes out here will be fundamental. No, sorry. Here you have the second harmonic crystal. So what comes out is the second harmonic, green. It comes here, okay? Here is a mirror which will reflect the light to push it here. Here is another crystal. See what comes out here is omega and 2 omega. Am I right? Just look here.
Okay.
You remember what I told?
This is Amjad.
What? Amjad.
Yeah.
Can you?
Open this one?
Yes. Just for a few minutes. I'll switch off everything. So these students will have some good understanding. Later I can put. This we can use. This also we can open, right?
Yes.
I can open it.
This one no need, just
Yeah, I know. Just push it. Leave it. I will take it.
it's okay. It's finished.
Yeah. Just I want to take your permission so that if somebody is
okay.
doing, they should know what. It's okay. This I know. Yeah, you are lucky. Not many.
There is
should-
over an interlock switch here, huh?
Yes,
If you
I
need to
understand.
just defeat it and
Yes. Now look at this one. Let us start from the beginning. You have high voltage line coming here. Look at this one. Here is a high voltage. This, don't touch anything.
No.
This is a high voltage. This is a dangerous part. Okay, from here you have the high voltage. This is all built in now. Within you have the flash lamp, YAG crystal. Everything is there
Inside this.
inside. Don't touch it.
No,
Don't touch
no,
it.
just
Okay.
side.
Inside this you have it. I think the crystal size is about 3 or 4 centimeter. Later I can get the manual. Yeah, manual. I will give the copy.
Okay.
Yeah, why not? Stay here. Stay.
سنتر 5 سم. هذا سنتر 5 سم.
Okay, it's work ready now. Huh?
Okay.
532. Huh?
Okay.
شكرا
I'll
شكرا
take
شكرا.
it. Thank you. Look. Later, you take photocopy.
Okay.
Try to understand. Then you will understand at least one instrument very well. Look at this one. The system's operating parameters. The ambient temperature is somewhere 70 to 25. This is what it maintain.
Okay.
Usually 20 degree. This is the nature of this. And this is coming from, look, electric service 220 volts, 50 to this one. This represents 0.7 kVA. What is this 0.7 kVA?
Power consumption.
You know what is this?
VA.
Kilo volt ampere.
0.7 kilo
Volt ampere.
volt ampere. What does it mean?
Kilo volt ampere. This is the power.
Put a question mark. I will put a question mark. Note down. Find out. If you don't understand, I can explain. But I don't want to explain.
Yes.
Okay.
I want you to break your head. Find out.
Okay.
This is 0.7. Then this is 50 Hz 60. Why 50 Hz 60?
This is the frequency for the AC.
Why 50 bar 60? Some countries have a frequency of 50. Some countries 60. USA 60. Saudi 50. India also 50. AC.
But this is why we can answer this question.
Huh?
We must answer the question. Why
Yeah.
it is 50-60?
50-60 is the alternating current cycle. Sometime in some, not sometime, in some country 50. Some country it is 60. Saudi 50. USA 60. Then yes, look at this one. You need 3 liters of distilled water is required to fill up here. You have a container.
3 liter.
Inside you have a tank in which we always fill with the distilled water of 3 liter. So water goes go and go circulate. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
The water where? Here.
Water is going through here. It will go through. Look at this one.
From
Go through
down.
everywhere.
Okay.
Yes. Then this is what you call the laser head. This is called the laser head. This is the Q switch. You remember I told you about electro-optical switch.
Yes.
Here is the polarizer. Look at the picture.
Yeah.
Polarizer. Here is some mirror which will be an additional polarization. And then this is the switch which will rotate the plane of polarization. Look at this electro-optical switch. So let me go over all over again. When it goes up to this is unpolarized. When it goes here, polarized. When it goes, it is rotated 45 degree. When it goes, here is a mirror. This is the output mirror. Okay, it puts another 45. So when it comes back, 90 degree. So the light will not go. So this acts as a shutter. Okay, and then
Open.
when we want it opens. Okay, then this is the loop. Can you look at the? Can you come here? You don't want to touch anything.
Really no, not touch.
You have a light.
ما في الطرف
I can.
شايف 2%.
You are a bit lucky because the last batch of students, when I want to show, something will not be there, then I cannot show this one. Look at this. Do you see the crystal here?
Oh, this is very good.
Very beautiful crystal.
Beautiful.
Lovely. You see the pink crystal?
Yes.
The pink one.
Small, like a chalk piece.
Yes.
I will not touch this one. It is here.
What is that crystal?
This is the neodymium YAG crystal.
That one.
This is the YAG crystal.
Very nice.
Like rose color, light rose color. Do you see that?
Yes. It is beautiful.
It's beautiful. come here, come here. The crystal is from here to here. From here to here.
Yes.
And you see it is flat, clean, and very highly reflective.
Yes.
You can see this one. You see that one?
Yes,
It's like a chalk piece,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Regular chalk piece.
It is long. From here until here.
Yes, it's long. I thought it is small, but it's long. If you look at this carefully,
This one is more color.
huh?
Am I sure?
No, same crystal. It's not different. It's same crystal. Okay, one piece. Then look at it. Okay, then this is another mirror. So this is
Just a
one mirror, this another mirror. Okay. Then what happens is this falls and goes, and here is a second harmonic crystal. See, this trips. The light goes here,
Okay.
go, and then here is a second harmonic crystal. Up to now, this will be 1064. When it passes from here, you will have 1064 and 530.
530. Okay.
Then look, here you have 1064 and 532.
Okay.
Here is another crystal. I don't know whether I can open it. No, leave it, don't bother. Okay. Here you have one more crystal. This crystal makes omega plus 2 omega, 3 omega. So, look at it. I will have 355 coming here. I put one more crystal to make 3 omega plus omega, so I will have 4 omega. Understand? So I have 4 wavelength. 1064, second harmonic, 532.
They are here, the two.
1 minute.
From here,
Up to now, don't touch it. Up to now, here omega.
Okay.
Omega 2 omega.
Yes.
Here omega plus 2 omega
Plus
plus
3.
3 omega. And then you put one more crystal. Then you will have 1 plus 3, 4. So this will you will get. But usually this 466 is very weak. We don't usually play with this one. And then you will have all the 3 lasers coming here. Come here, come here, come here, follow me. And then here, I have put this is called a Bruce triangle. Why Bruce triangle? Again, you must answer. Why I have put it like this? Why the manufacturer has put a glass plate like this? This is because it acts as a Bruce triangle. So what comes out from here is green. What comes out from here is the third harmonic, which will be ultraviolet. Understand?
Yes.
So we don't want this 266.
Why they put it 260?
If you want, you can use it.
Yeah,
But
just
usually we don't use it. So fourth harmonic is very weak, and as I told you,
it's dangerous.
it is dangerous. If I keep exposed to this one, it may produce
Cancer.
cancer. Whereas 355, if it falls on this one, look, I have burned myself already. It will make a burn. After 2 days, I will forget it. I put something.
Some-
In fact, I leave it. After 2 days, it goes. It will not have any permanent effect. Understand?
Yes, yes.
Fundamental, second harmonic, third harmonic, up to that, it's a very temporary damage. Okay, then what I do? Look, when I want to use the second harmonic to pump my Tais-aware crystal, I take this and put here. Now, you are really lucky because for many students I did not have a chance to show. When I want, I will.
We are
See,
lucky
look at this one. Yeah, look at this
in
one.
laser cutting also.
Come here, come here. This is 532, okay?
Okay.
Then I put the 532, go. I do so many zigzag. This is a crystal. Look at this. This is the tri-sapphire crystal. You see the beautiful tri-sapphire crystal. Look at it. It is like a chocolate cut at an angle.
Like this.
Yes, cut at an angle.
So
When
we
you
have two laser?
Huh?
We have two laser?
Yeah. We have in fact 4 lasers.
Now it is bumping here now.
Pumping is 532. This is a nanosecond second harmonic laser pumping this crystal
To give
to get a laser from the tri-sapphire. So this is called YAG laser pumped tri-sapphire laser. Laser pumped laser. Understand?
understand.
So you get it, and then you have the mirrors, configuration, everything to get a very fine laser from here. Okay.
Okay.
Unfortunately, there is something wrong in this configuration. Something went somewhere wrong.
Where laser get from here? Doctor?
From here, you will get a beautiful laser.
Open.
It's yes.
From here, you will get one will be red, will be pink when it is working all right. Then what we do? We produce second harmonic of this one. We produce third harmonic of this one. As I told you, it is like making a cocktail.
Doctor, now the laser come out the wavelength 532.
نسوي بمب لها.
No. 1 minute. 530 to go.
Just to bump
532, 1 minute. 532 pumps this one. After that, 530 is gone.
So we will deal with this.
You get a laser,
From
which is,
this.
let me say 930. 930 is going to be in the infrared. Produce second harmonic. What you will get? You will get about 930, half of it will be
400.
450, 460.
Something.
I produce third harmonic. Then I will be able to get
300. Also right.
310. Understand?
Okay.
So I can have 6 lasers.
This
1064, 532, 355, 266,
and two from here.
930,
Okay.
930, half of it,
460.
460, and then 310.
7.
So I will have 7 lasers.
Okay.
But every time it will become weak and weak.
Every after one harmonic, two harmonic, weak.
Weak. So every time it becomes weak.
Why? Weekly or monthly or what?
No, weak.
Now it
weak.
becomes,
The-
energy will be less.
After 1 hour maybe?
No, perhaps you don't understand. If I put 10 joule,
Okay.
what come out from here will be only 1 joule,
Okay, yes. I can understand.
1 millijoule.
Okay.
Okay, that's all the configuration. Shall we close it? Yes, tell me.
Okay. This one is second harmonic generation. This one
Yes.
for this laser.
Yes. And then we change the polarization. There are so many things. Fine optics.
From here you can control everything.
Yeah,
It's the
look.
tuning, huh?
Look, where is this one? 1 minute. Where is this box? Look. I play around the angle. You
the
remember
mirror.
we said you can adjust the angle.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
I told you, remember.
Yes.
What will come out is for 930. Okay.
Okay.
Let me explain. Come. This is clear?
Yes, clear. Yes.
So this 532 goes and hits tight.
That's okay.
Then I put 2 mirrors. So what I get is 930.
Okay.
This 930 is something funny. This tri-sapphire is capable of producing laser from, look at it, 800 to 1000 nanometer. Let me say I am interested in 930. This means I must have some kind of prism to choose the wavelength 930. So that is why I say this is rotatable, wavelength tunable. Then you see the funny point. I connect here. Second harmonic. Third harmonic. Then what will I get? Look at it. From here I will get 400.
65.
65, okay? And here I will have 310.
Yes.
It is not the end of the story. I can tune this. I can get a laser at 900. Then I will have one at 450, another at 300. So,
if I tune here, it will appear هذا هنا.
not only that, when I tune this, I must tune this one also. Why?
Yes.
Huh?
We can.
Why should I tune this? I should tune this because
To make the face.
that's it. The phase matching condition
matching.
to decide. So I will put like this. You see that?
Yes, yes.
That is what you have here. See, look. Up to now I cannot change anything.
Okay, okay.
And then you have all the adjust. Look at this prism.
Yes, prism, yes.
All the prism I adjust. Then I can choose the wavelength. Let me say 900. Then look at it here. I make it 450 because I have a crystal which will make 450, and then this will make 300.
This is depend on the crystal.
Depends on the crystal
Which
and
has
angle
crystal?
of the crystal. Phase magic
Phase
condition.
magic.
You see, the whole, I want to show you this one because I can get a variety of lasers making use of harmonic generation and phase matching condition.
Yes.
You see that?
Yes. This is very good.
Okay, I will close down everything.
How did they think like this?
Hmm?
How do people think like this, Doctor?
Now, for laser scientists, this is nothing. We do so many times.
هذا ما هو شيء.
How do people think to generate something like this?
They are studying.
Create
They are
something.
working night and day every.
Good night.
مشو
The
مثلنا
very
نعمل.
interesting thing is, the ties are very so only solid state laser which is tunable.
Tunable, yeah.
This is the advantage for this one.
That's the biggest advantage.
Okay.
Okay.
You can do it like this.
The tunable region also I have given 380 to 410. This is from
750.
750 to, okay, so this is clear. Now, we will put all this back and start working with the laser. Always you must make sure that power supply is turned off.
Okay. سوي يا منتج سوي.
بس but I will.
No, no.
Okay.
It's okay.
I'm good.
We must write a report for this experiment
Yeah,
and
should.
give you.
Yes, yes, you should.
Okay.
And you must answer all the questions I wanted.
Okay.
You know, you should be just tight. This is called hand tight. You know what's hand tight?
Yes.
Just when I feel, I should. No,
Not
you should
press.
not do this. Don't
Yes,
do
yes.
this.
I know.
Just do this. It is not like a car, you know.
Yes.
Your car tire, you jump on it. Okay. Here it is not that one. Okay, this is ready. Okay. This one, as soon as you switch on, this will be on. You hear the sound?
For water.
Water circulation. You see that? Next step.
Yes.
There is a relay which will click, send, fan, water. You see step by step.
Yes, yes.
Just see, come here. Put your hand here. Just sit down and listen to everything very carefully. Here is it. Did you see the sound here?
Yes.
Wait, wait. You see?
Another one.
It goes part by part.
ليش ما يشتغل؟
شو يشتغل؟
Just put your hand. What is? Put your hand there.
Still not on.
No, put your hand there. Put your hand there. What's it?
There is a
Here.
circle here. Oh, circle.
Okay, then
Van.
look at it. If you put tissue paper, this sucks here, this kicks out. You understand?
yes.
Put your hand.
Yes, yes.
Don't- Yeah, you have a hair. You will, no. With the hair you can check. You see? Here it will pull. Here it will go. You understand?
Yes, yes.
Okay, then. Now, this light is on. That means I am putting 13.8 joules of energy. Okay? I can reduce it. Look. Let me say, I start from 100. 10. Q switch is off. So Q switch will not work. Okay? Now, everything is ready. If I switch on, I should get the laser. Okay?
Yes.
You see that? Come here, come here. What is this one?
This is the
1064.
No. This is the, you know what is this and what is this?
This
Switch
one
off
is
the light. Switch off the light. Yeah. Do you know what is this and this one?
this one, Doctor.
the flash lamp.
Not flash.
This is the flash.
Phosphorus,
This is the
phosphorus.
No. This is the fluorescence from the crystal. This is the flash lamp. This is white, this is pink. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. And then you can see. Look, come here, come here. You see, there is no laser everywhere, anywhere. You get only the fluorescence and flash lamp
Yes.
light coming here. This I can.
Just light.
Just light, no laser. You see?
Yeah.
Do you see the light?
Yeah.
Light from the flash lamp only.
Flash lamp. Only from this one.
1064, nothing here.
Nothing. Because it's very low. Switch on the light. Okay. Okay, come here. Hmm?
Green here.
Yeah. Oh, you see that?
This
This is what you see is a green
And blue.
and you have green and blue. This is second harmonic, this is third harmonic. Okay? Now what I can do? What I can do? Yes. Shut up, close, keep quiet. Yes. I start with
this is very high.
this. Very high.
Yeah, but it's small.
Hmm?
It's a green there.
Yes, you see, very little, okay?
Can I switch off?
No. I need something. Yeah, anyway, just take a look at it. How does it look like? It looks elliptical, right?
Yes.
It looks elliptical.
Yeah.
Hold this paper.
This is.
Come here. Hold the paper. You stay here, okay? You see, it comes like ellipse, okay?
Okay.
Now, here afterwards, don't touch anything.
Okay,
You will
okay.
not touch. You see, I'm slowly increasing. You see that?
Yeah.
You see the power?
Increase.
Now, the funny thing is, this is not circular. Look, it is like this.
Yes.
Some misalignment. This is kind of misalignment. This is not
It's
the
not nature.
No, it's not. It will be always circular. There is something wrong with this one, but we are happy that it is working at least this much.
Okay.
Understand? This is green. Keep it. Now, you know what happened?
Now it's here now. It's
Huh?
No Q switch. It is circular.
Now see this one. Keep seeing this. All that I do, I put the Q switch. You see, very bright.
yes, like
No.
this.
That is on a time domain. Understand? What you say is a time. This is elliptical, which is due to some error in this instrument. The
Okay.
laser beam will be always circular.
Okay.
Due to some misalignment, it is elliptical. So don't bother about it.
Okay.
What is important now?
The intensity.
Yes, you see the intensity very bright
Yes.
when the Q switch is on. Then look at it. I just put the. You see, still it is lasing. This is non-Q switch laser.
This is what I asked about you.
This will have 100 microsecond pulse duration. The intensity will be very weak because Q switch is not there. Understand?
Yes.
Now look at this one. I can increase the voltage a little. Keep seeing. See, I have increased. You still get some.
Yes.
Okay? Now look at this one. I just put a Q switch.
It will be
You will
more.
see ultraviolet immediately. You see that? You see the difference?
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
You see the difference. Terrific. Okay? Now I reduce everything.
ليش طلع الازرق؟
See, come. Keep seeing. I keep you switch on.
بدي الازرق طول موجود.
كيف طلع لون ولا ما كسبتك؟
You can put a.
Doctor, sometimes we see the green, the blue. Sometimes it's
It's
disappear.
very big threshold. That's what I'm trying to see. One minute. Wait a minute. I can give you much better idea.
ليش البحر الأزرق؟
Yeah.
قديش طول ممكن؟
400
ها؟
من 400 وتحت 400 نانو.
التفايلت؟ ها؟ ما هي. It's really very weak.
Be quiet. Okay. Now you can see. You see the laser comes and goes, right?
Yes.
Pulse.
It's pulsed. First thing, it is pulsed. Sometime it is bright, sometime it's very dark.
Yes.
I'm going to ask you a question. What is this one?
Very low intensity.
Very low. It's a dazing.
This is spontaneous.
This laser.
Is it lasing? Yes, it is lasing.
Glazing, yes.
But it sometime lays, sometime it's not.
Hmm.
The power or the energy which is required to make it just lays, sometime is not what is called. What is defined?
The threshold.
This is called
condition.
the threshold
Threshold.
condition. Understand?
Yeah.
You know, in English, threshold means this place. This is called threshold in English. Suppose somebody is here and he is dancing. I cannot say anything about it. I would request him, please go away. But somebody who has come here, that means he is my student.
Okay.
He is not supposed to sing or dance in the lab.
Yes.
So this is the limit,
This is
understand?
the limit. Yeah.
That is what we see threshold. So now you can note down. Now you can start writing down in the record. The threshold power, threshold energy is 11.4 per second harmonic.
Okay.
Not here. You take somewhere and go there. The threshold. Now, threshold is 11.
Energy.
Yes, threshold energy.
Threshold.
It is measured
Threshold.
always in
TH.
joules.
حطوا
Threshold.
جنبها تي اتش. ايوه خلاص.
Okay? Then
threshold.
I increase it. You see? When I say threshold, you must remember when I make it nothing.
Nothing. Yeah.
Look at it. 2, nothing. 4, there is something.
That means the population is in the
Not sufficient.
not sufficient.
Just
In the limit.
in the limit.
Yes,
Then
sir.
look at it. I just increase it. It goes very fast. So you must say, look at it. This is the power. You must represent later. We will actually measure later, and you must put like this. This is input energy. Okay. Today, what is the date?
23rd
23rd
February. Yes.
February 16. Okay. Now look at it. This is the input energy. This is out. You will show me the diagram. Look at it. See, up to now nothing.
Nothing. Yeah.
This is 11.4.
4.
Then look at it. Go straight. Jump. Then you will see after some time it will be like this. Whatever input energy, you cannot get more power.
Saturation it will be.
That's called saturation. Okay? But we always work in this region. This is called the linear region. This is called saturation. And then if we measure this one, this will give you slope efficiency. All this you take a picture you must explain what is slope efficiency, threshold, everything. So this represents threshold power, threshold energy input.
Like laser diode, when you give him threshold current, you can put a power.
Any laser
Any
should
laser.
have the same property. Not only that, it is like your business. You start a business, I put 10,000 riyal, nothing. 20,000 riyal, nothing. 50,000 riyal I put in money, somebody will come and buy my good. 10 people. After that, if I put 1 million, you will see everybody comes to my business. So I need a minimum threshold input. Same thing.
Okay, Professor, please. In this region, Doctor, it is spontaneous random emission.
No, the
And this-
power is, no, when you, with this energy, you will get only spontaneous emission,
Yes.
no laser emission.
Yes, here is spontaneous.
Yes.
From here, laser,
Stimulate, yes.
stimulated.
Now, next thing, we are going to measure the power. If I remove this, the power, look at this one. Mr. Amjad has done a very nice thing. Look at it. It falls on a lens. What is this one? What is this lens?
The spread, the
This
line,
is
the
a diverging lens.
definitely.
The diverging lens is falling on this. In fact, all these kits were made by me by mistake when I was doing this one.
Yeah.
If I remove the paper, it will go and hit it. See, so this is falling on the power meter. Now, what is this kind of power meter? You must know later, you must tell me later why this is made black and what is the theory behind this power meter, how it measures the power. Read and tell. Right.
Okay. I can take the name from here.
Yes.
Or we can from here.
Can.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Then this gives a signal. Now this is the power meter. Now come here. Not necessary anymore. Not necessary. This is coming. This. What is this one? This is the one which energizes the power meter.
What's that one, please?
6 volt.
It's like charge.
Okay. And then this one is the information from the power meter. Then if you look at this carefully, this is converted into millijoule. The wavelength is adjusted. Can you see this adjusted for 532?
Yes. The wavelength.
Yeah. I can play around. I can change the wavelength. Okay.
Okay.
I can change the wavelength. For 532, everything is adjusted. Now this gives me average pulse energy is 2.38 millijoule. Understand? First thing. Secondly, how much is the repetition rate?
10.
10. Okay? So write down in your notebook. Write down in your notebook.
صورتها؟
دقيقة أنا اكتب أنا خليني أسوي اكتب فريكونسي يساوي 10 هرتز
Write down in your notebook.
والإنرجي
Now, we must start like this.
نظمها شوي اكتب الباور
Input energy.
ولسه ما قال.
هنا اكتب الباور.
Come here.
We can write the
Energy. Input. First thing, it is Q switched.
okay.
This is input energy is 11.6 joule. And you know the threshold is 11.4.
Yes.
Then for this, the output is 3 millijoule.
2.3
The pulse, the repetition rate is 10.
2.6 millijoule.
Yeah. Now look at it. I can now play around. What are the things? Look at it. This is the delay time. We will come back to this one. See, pulse repetition rate is 10.
10.
Instead, now I can reduce it. Keep watching it. Wait.
The power is very low.
Keep watching. What do you see? You get the laser. Only 1 pulse per second. You see that? Very slow. Yeah, everywhere.
اكتب at frequency يساوي 1 هرتز اي اوت يساوي 1.65 وهذا ثابت لا تغير. طبعا اضبطها.
For 1 pulse per second.
This is the big ball.
No, that is
This
the
is output
energy
power.
per pulse.
Energy per pulse.
No, that is the power, average power. Look at this. This means average power. Later you must calculate what is the peak power for this. How will you calculate?
We can.
This is average power is, let's say, 2 millijoule. The pulse repetition rate is only 1. Okay?
Yes.
Now let us go. I go just then you see. I change the pulse repetition rate to, look at it, 5. Now you see how much.
زاد ولا
1.4 something like that. كل شيء كان هيك صح؟
ايوه سجل حاصل 1.3 1.3.
This always measures average power. So you have a proper notebook and record it, not
Yes.
put a table and record it carefully. This is what you want.
I think this one.
You have a notebook or something?
We
Yes,
have.
we have.
Yeah, it's an experiment which I want you to become very familiar. No, you better note down.
We can.
don't
We
take
will.
picture.
We will. Next picture is video.
Yeah. Huh?
Video.
No, it's a waste of time.
Okay.
See, once you know a whole thing, then for each voltage you can write down.
Okay.
This is for 5, okay? Then I increase it. 10. Now how much it is?
Doctor, how can read this? It's different. We take the range or.
Take the average value, no? See,
Okay.
don't worry, it's about 1.3
1.3.
approximately.
Oh.
Next step is this one. I change this energy mode. This is the minimum energy. Okay?
Okay.
Now I can do one more thing. Look at this mode. I can change the delay time. The delay time, remember I said 200 microsecond. I have written down. It is not 200. It may be somewhere around 150 microsecond. To check this, all that you have to do is, look at this one. I see.